What are we doing now?
We are heading off in the direction of Plymouth. Woo! Excuse the sneeze. And yeah, we are heading off in the direction of Plymouth. The original plan for this weekend was to take a bunch of people across to the Scilly, across to the Channel Islands. But the weather forecast in the middle is gusting 33 and a 2.5 metre swell. So that's cancelled, and we're going to try and shelter possibly under Jenny Cliff in Plymouth. See what happens. But a hot day and a high pressure.
It's a beautiful day. What are you doing, dear?
You can guarantee if you can't find something instantly, it's at the bottom of the deepest locker, hidden under something else.
Next stop is the River Yealm.
The centre cleat.
Should we walk forward, give somebody else a chance? Good at that, yeah? Is that cool?
One of the advantages of sailing early in the season is there's always somewhere on a pontoon to moor up. Not always somebody there to catch a line, mind you. Neil's been really helpful. Hero was absolutely over the moon when he realised that these people actually have a dog. A dog! Later that afternoon, Hero goes for his constitutional in the Green Dart Forest.
4.1 mile and Wembury Village 3 miles. Lower loop path to Wembury Village 3.5 miles.
I love the way that this boat, with its independent engine control and bow thrusters, can just move sideways.
It's controlled by a simple joystick inside the cabin. Oh, if only we could have this on our yacht.
Seamlessly slipped out into the sunset.
Are you going to try and move back here?
As one boat leaves, another one arrives. These folks sailed all the way from Jersey. Unfortunately, I missed the bit where the sides fold in, but quite an unusual concept, I think you'll agree. Later, we left the pontoon and followed up the river. We met up with some friends and had a lovely couple of days.
We've moved further up the Yealm now, and a bit of them wading through some mud. But look at this, looking out at Sea Pigeon over there. And as we're British, we're having a beach barbecue. Give us a wave.